How to fix Roblox not launching. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this problem on your Roblox on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps. Here on apps you have to search for Roblox. When you found Roblox, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK, also click on clear cache, then go back and click on first stop and click OK. And now what's next? You have to go to Play Store and update your Roblox if it's not updated. And that's it. If it not work with you, you have to uh, disable the application and install it again, and that's it. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.